अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम अरमान बाबू है। मैं पीस ग्लोबल में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं एक नज्म सुनाना चाहता हूँ। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह। Allah is one and can't be two. The truth should be known to you. He is the source of everything and does not need a single thing. We worship only Allah the Most High, and to be kind to everyone we always try. Allah created the sun that shines so bright, and the moon and star that we see as night. He has no father, no mother, no children. He begat not is he begotten. Allah has given us so many blessings, so be thankful to Him for everything. Muhammadur Rasulullah, the final prophet of Allah. Peace and blessing on Him too, who can do guide us what and how to do. Allah has chosen Him for mankind. No better example we will find, and Sunnah is our guide. By His ways we must abide. Those who believe in Allah guide must are the simple one. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. तो इसकी जैसा live by it and you will success. Oh Allah, you are very kind and merciful. Give us knowledge, truth, peace, global school. Oh mankind, with awareness to the truth. Oh Allah, guide us to the way of truth. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.